Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi 14T. Begin by launching Play Store on both to getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can choose Not Now or click on OK right away. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Xiaomi. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!